When you wish to assign the same information to the profiles of different students in openSIS, you can use the Group Assign Student Info feature. This feature allows you to efficiently apply the same set of information to multiple student profiles simultaneously. In order to use this feature, go to Students from the navigation menu. Click on Group Assign Student Info. You will see the list of students registered in the system. You may search for the students using the Advanced Search option. Here, I'm choosing the students who study in Grade 8. After the list is filtered, check the students you wish to proceed with. On the top right corner, click on the Next button. Now, click on the section whose information you wish to assign to the selected students. For this example, I wish to upload their physical training manual. I will go to Documents, click on the appropriate button, choose the file, and click on Upload. I have assigned the same info to these students at one go. Thank you for watching.